Okay, so year 10, to start off, the exit ticket from yesterday's lesson. Well done for those of you that gave it a good go and submitted your work. I know a lot of you found it quite difficult, or only a few people got everything completely 100% right. So I'm going to go through it here. And if you're one of the people that found it harder or made some mistakes, it's really important you're watching this example carefully and adding and correcting your work where you need to. So to start with, what are we told? We were told there are 3 chocolate biscuits, fine, and 6 plain biscuits in a tin, fine. So here is given 2 biscuits at random from the tin. Now what's difficult, or what may be difficult about probability, is that you have to think of this as first biscuit and then second biscuit. You can't do both, you can't just take both biscuits in one go. In terms of probability, we have one thing happen and then we have the second thing happen. So then in terms of drawing up my tree diagram, it's going to look something like this. I've got just enough space to do it. And then in terms of the options, we can have chocolate and plain. And then the second biscuit could either be chocolate or plain, or chocolate or plain, so on. After that, initially there are 9 biscuits in the jar, in the tin, sorry. 3 of those are chocolate, and 6 of those are plain. But now he's taken out a biscuit, because this is his first biscuit. He's taken one out and he's going to get the second biscuit now. So when it comes to choosing the second biscuit, there's only 8 left to choose from. So to start with, this is saying he's taken a chocolate biscuit already. If he's taken a chocolate biscuit, there'll only be 2 chocolate biscuits left, but there'll still be 6 plain biscuits. Down here, this option is saying he's taken a plain biscuit out. So there are still 3 chocolate biscuits in the tin, but there's only 5 plain biscuits left. So your diagram should have looked something like that. Then the question said, what is the probability he has one of each type? So let's just think about our different options. The different options are he has chocolate, chocolate and chocolate, chocolate and plain, plain and chocolate, or plain and plain. I don't know why they've turned that into an R. Let me just delete that. And we want to know one of each type. So one of each type would be chocolate and plain or plain and chocolate. So let's work both of those out now. So chocolate and then plain would be chocolate is 3/9, plain is 6/8. So it would be 3/9 times 6/8, which is 18/72. Plain and then chocolate would be 6/9 times 3/8, which is 18/72. And because we want this or this, so we want chocolate and plain or plain and chocolate, when it's an or, we add them together. So to get our final answer to this question, we do 18/72 plus 18/72, which is 36/72. And that simplifies down to 1/2. So my very final answer for that question, let me highlight it, is 1/2. So hopefully you can use that year 10 to correct your work where you need to.